Hey everyone, it's Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews, and we're here in La Romana in the Dominican Republic, here on Liberty of the Seas, and we are gonna do our Stern to Bow series. This is where we find out how long does it take to walk on one of these giant ships from the stern, or all the way in the back, the aft, all the way to the bow, the front of the ship. So we are starting here on a very super rainy day, but I'm already wet from checking out the shops in La Romana, so figured we'd go ahead and do this today. Rain's not gonna make a difference. We'll take a walk here on mostly the 12th deck, have some steps up to the 13th deck in the front, and we will find out how long does it take to get from the stern to the bow. Let's check it out. All right, here's a nice view of La Romana here on this rainy day. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. I have some baseball fields over there. This is the inlet the boat has come in, and the town of La Romana. And as you can see here, we are on the very back of the ship, right behind the flow rider, the water slides, the big giant boomerang slide they have. We've got my trusty iPhone here, ready to go, and let's go ahead and get started. And we're off. So we're gonna stay here on 12, but there are steps here that take you up to the flow rider and all the water slides. Back here in deck 12, this is a good spot to get some quiet space to lay out away from the pool deck. These are some interesting places, I guess, to stop and eat lunch or something along those lines. There's the teen disco fuel there. And some more view down into La Romana there. 12th deck obviously is where you can find Johnny Rockets. I really do like the outdoor seating for Johnny Rockets on this class of ship. You get some great views outside. On the left here, we're gonna have the entrance into the arcade, and the Adventure Ocean area is in there also. Yeah, these are all spots on a crowded day by the pool. You could probably get a spot to sit here, though it will be shaded, not in the sun, but quieter. Now we're heading out to the pool deck area. This rainy day, they actually do have the kids' splash-away bay open this afternoon, even though it's raining. So, see a few kids braving it, but mostly in the hot tub. But it is a quiet day by the pool, for sure. Now we're making our way over to the main pool. And if you want the pool mostly to yourself, this is the day for it, being in port and rainy. You can see just about nobody in there, nobody at the pool bar or the sky bar. All right, we keep along the running track here. We're just about to cross over the solarium. So down here, you'll have the cantilevered hot tubs that hang over the edge of the ship. Also create some great views. Over there is the practically deserted solarium. And to get all the way to the front, we do have to go up these steps here to get up onto deck 13. Another view. Now this area is pretty deserted today. But this is another great area you can get to on a crowded day by the pool and at least get a chair if you want to spend some time in the sun. This is also where you'll find the Liberty Dunes mini golf course. We got a few people braving it in the rain right now. And we're getting close. Glad I'm wearing my water shoes because it's pretty much a giant puddle I'm walking through right now. And we are here. So let's see, I don't know if you can see that or not. 4 minutes, 18.45 seconds. I wonder how that compares to my walks on Independence of the Seas and Freedom of the Seas, which are basically the same ship and should have similar times. Now, some of you may say you can get further front. You're right. As you can see there, you can go down to the helicopter pad and you can get to the King of the World spot on these ships. But I wanted to do this up on the top deck. You get much better views from things than being down on deck 4, and you get to see much more along the way. I think that's the best way to go. 4 minutes and 18.45 seconds. All right, guys, that is how long it takes here on Liberty of the Seas to get from the stern to the bow. And it, like I said, it is raining and now it has decided to come down. So I am going to leave it there and take this party inside. If you like this video, make sure you definitely hit that like button, especially I'm getting rained on for all of you, so definitely hit a like for that. And also check out the rest of the Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any cruising content. This is Very Wet Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.